And welcome back. And we begin with the news that any effort by Supreme Ventures Limited to take over ownership of Caymanas Park will be met with firm resistance from the Horsemen group led by the Thoroughbred Owners and Breeders Association TOBA. The stakeholder groups met at Caymanas Park on Wednesday. More in this report.
Just over a month ago, Supreme Ventures Limited, the parent company of the promoting entity, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, announced that they would be willing to put US $100 million or approximately 16 billion Jamaican dollars towards the upgrading of Caymanas Park. However, SVL noted that such an investment could only materialize if they gain outright ownership of the facility. Ever since the announcement, several stakeholder groups have expressed their disapproval of the proposed initiative. The groups met in the trainer's room at Caymanas Park on Wednesday during a meeting convened by the Thoroughbred Owners and Breeders Association. TOBA's president, Andrew Azar, once again underlined his organization's position.
100% against the outright sale. No, not only to Supreme Ventures, no private sector entity or no private sector company should own the lands of Caymanas Park and have the power to lock down racing whenever they see fit. It is happening right now in Florida with Gulfstream Park, but they have many racetracks. So when Gulfstream closes down, they still have many tracks. We have one. Under my leadership, we're going to fight to protect this one racetrack with all our might and all our strength.
Azar added that TOBA has also sought clarity from the government on the matter.
We've written a letter to the Prime Minister wanting to know what is the government's position on this. There were 2 full-page editorials in the newspapers, and there's, as you can see by today, there's lots of trepidation and uncertainty out there.
The presidents of other stakeholder groups also voiced their displeasure at SVL's proposal for the outright sale of Caymanas Park.
So it is very, very, very important, people, that we stick together, don't get divided, don't fall to the pressure of the promoter to defend what is right for us and what we depend on.
I was approached by someone Sunday who told me that I signed to the article that Mr. Azar posts. And I said yes. They were saying that Supreme Venture opened up doors for 7 jockeys to get sponsors. And my reply to them was, the last time I checked, I have over 70 jockeys licensed. So if I was to take out the 7 jockeys who get sponsor, what do you want me to do? Throw the other 70 under the bus?
SVREL has a 30-year lease to operate Caymanas Park with an option to renew for another 30 years. They assumed operations of the racetrack in March 2017. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.